equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by gathering your tools, a screwdriver set, anti-static wrist strap, and cleaning cloth. First, power off the Asus UX8406M and disconnect all cables. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws. Keep track of each screw's location for easy reassembly. Once the cover is off, visually inspect the motherboard for any obvious damage, like burnt components or loose connections. If you spot any issues, take note. Next, clean the internal components with a soft cloth. Dust can cause overheating and performance issues. If you need to replace any parts, remember to get a professional diagnosis without obligation. This ensures you know exactly what needs fixing. After replacing any faulty components, reassemble the laptop by reversing the disassembly steps. Make sure all screws are tightened properly. For added convenience, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. No calls, no travel, just a simple quote before repair. This way, you can focus on what matters while we handle the technical stuff. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.